Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, it looks like the Ethereum decentralized apps have been rising in volume. Looks like the volume has risen about 36% in a week. But the question is, will the ETH price follow? Interactions with Ethereum dApps are soaring, but ETH price has failed to react. Ether has gained 7.5% since its drop to $2,396 on August 27, but the 22% decline over the past 30 days indicates that investors remain uneasy with their positions. While Ethereum's network activity is increasing, Ethereum's price has yet to show signs of reclaiming the 3,800 level since early June. The situation is even more concerning given that the altcoin market capitalization has decreased by 13% over the past 90 days. No, that's 30 days. So the market cap has decreased by 13% over the past 30 days, meaning Ethereum has underperformed its peers. This movement can partly be attributed to the overblown expectations surrounding the anticipated launch of a spot exchange-traded fund ETF in the US on July 24. However, there is more to the story, as Ethereum was trading at $3,200 recently as April 24. Ethereum bulls are placing their hopes on the recent drop in Ethereum's average transaction fee, which fell below $1 for the first time in 4 years. Combined with the successful reliance on layer-2 solutions for projects requiring higher throughput, Ethereum's dominance in decentralized applications, or dApps, remain unchallenged. Ethereum's bears argue that the competing chains, which offer lower fees on the base layer, provide a simpler user experience for newcomers. In reality, most users are not concerned about the higher centralization on Tron or BNB chain or the excessive cost of running a Solana validator. The success of Ethereum's own layer 2 solution Base indicates that the users value direct access to Coinbase more than self-sovereignty. Yeah, Base is hot, guys. Don't sleep on the Base ecosystem. Just as a side note. So it looks like the Ethereum network TVL and volumes are on the rise. Regardless of whether Ethereum's price benefits from its layer 2 ecosystem, the total value locked TVL on the Ethereum's network has been rising. According to DeFi Llama, the total amount deposited in Ethereum decentralized apps increased to 18.9 million ETH, a 4% rise from 2 weeks earlier. In contrast, Tron's TVL declined by 10% in TRX terms during the same period, while deposits on Avalanche fell by 4%. Symbiotic, a recently launched staking project on the Ethereum network, showed the most significant TVL growth over the past 2 weeks, rising 83% to 640,310 Ethereums. Similarly, total deposits on Ether.fi's liquid staking protocol grew by 15%. However, it would be misleading to claim that Ethereum's network activity has grown solely by analyzing its TVL, as most decentralized apps do not require large deposit bases. In terms of network activity, Ethereum's decentralized apps volume increased by 36% between July 22nd and July 29, primarily driven by the decentralized exchange Uniswap, which saw a 35% increase to $30.8 billion, and the automated market maker Balancer, whose volume rose 46% to $18.1 billion, according to dApp Radar. In comparison, decentralized app volumes on the Solana network have stagnated at around $6.3 billion per week. So it looks like the top Ethereum decentralized apps ranked by 7-day volumes Here we go. Uniswap v3. Then you got Balancer. Then you got Gold W Swap. You got 1inch Network. You got Uniswap v2. So that's the ranking so far. So yeah, so Uniswap v3 had the highest increase on the Ethereum decentralized apps. So however though, not all aspects of Ethereum's network activity have been positive since August 22. For example, the number of active addresses interacting with decentralized apps remained flat, while the total number of transactions declined by 8%. In contrast, BNB Chain saw a 7% increase in active addresses, while Solana gained 10% more users during the same period. Ethereum's performance is also being held back by lackluster flows into spot Ether ETF funds, which have seen net outflows of $107 million over the past 2 weeks. According to data from Farside Investor, this data highlights the lack of interest from institutional investors despite the bullish momentum for similar Bitcoin spot ETF instruments, which recorded $523 million in net inflows over the same period. Ultimately, there are no clear signs of excitement with the Ethereum network that would justify a significant increase in Ethereum's price. Critics may argue that the decline in Ethereum's average transaction fee below $1 is still not enough, especially considering that competitors like BNB Chain and Solana offer substantially lower costs. In the end, the data suggests that Ether's price is not directly correlated with on-chain activity. Well guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments of the article. Now in my opinion, don't let the article fool you that that Ethereum's price is weak, that it's not up to par with other coins like Solana and BNB. I do believe it's just normal, we're just having a correction on the Ethereum price because it did get pretty high up to $3,200. It got up to like $4,000 in March, but it retraced all the way to 2,000 just a few weeks ago. But it did bounce back and it's around like is it 2,400? Let's see what the current price is right now. Current price of Ethereum is 2,500. Yeah, see, so it already bounced back to 2,500. And even though there has been a lot of outflows these last 2 weeks on the Ethereum ETF, I mean that's just normal. That's happened with the Bitcoin ETF too. Remember when the Bitcoin ETF hype first came out, Bitcoin went down for like 3 weeks. It went down, and then after like 3 weeks to a month, it went it mega skyrocketed all the way up to like $73,000. So yeah, so don't let the price fool you guys. The Ethereum ETF just came out in July 23rd, July 24th, so it's only been about a little bit over a month. It took Bitcoin ETF about a month till it finally started mooning, so it's been over a little bit a month. But I mean, it might take Ethereum about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. But once it does start mooning, it is going to moon, guys. So don't let the price fool you guys. I am very bullish on Ethereum, and I'm also very bullish on Ethereum betas, guys. Like layer 2s like Base, Optimism, Jasmine, XCN, Miria. I mean, the list goes on, guys. So don't let the weak Ethereum price right now fool you guys. It's just a good opportunity to buy the dip, guys. I mean, that's the way crypto goes, guys. I mean, it goes up, it goes down. It's like a roller coaster ride. But once it gets into the parabolic part of the bull run, that's when we got the mega gains, guys. And we have to take advantage of that parabolic bull run and sell, try to sell as close to the top as you can. Don't get too greedy and, wait too long. Once the parabolic bull run kicks in, it usually lasts somewhere between 5 to 6 months. And then you got to take your profits, because if you don't, you'll probably round trip your gains, guys, and have to wait till the next parabolic bull run to sell your coins. Well, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the article. And also, guys, just a reminder, please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.